Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error couldn't load launcher. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, click here and then type task manager. Now go to startup, and once you're here you will find Java updates. Right click on it and click enable. If you find here enable, click on it, and if you find disable, just don't touch, and then go back and go to control panel. Now once you're here, if you find it like that, click view by and make it small icons, and then go to Java and go to update. Here click update now and make sure your Java is updated. Now the last thing you need to do, go to apps and features, and then go to Minecraft, type here Minecraft launcher, click on it and click advanced options, and once you're here, scroll down until you find here reset, and here you will find repair. Click on it, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.